Hello and welcome to a new makeup tutorial. This time magical. You voted online on Facebook and Instagram and decided on your theme, and I've done that for you. And if you want to know how I did it, let's go right now. First, you take your primer to refine your pores and put it on your face and your neck. Next, you take a liquid makeup with high coverage and a beauty blender. For now, you just put it on your eyelids and above, not under your eyes. You fix the makeup with a clear fixing powder and a powder brush. Now I grab some tape and cut off 2 stripes. I place it at the outer corner of the eye, upwards. Now I take a palette with shiny eyeshadow and an eyeshadow brush. I'm using a white tone for the inner corner of the eye. Now I put a vibrant blue on the eyelid. The outer corner of the eye gets a dark gray. I'm using a thin brush to create a bow above my eyelid. Now I take a black waterproof eyeliner pencil and draw the eyeliner just along the tape and my lash line. I now curl my lashes with an eyelash curler and put on a waterproof black mascara. Next we put on the fake lashes. Carefully peel it off the packaging and apply the supplied glue. Let it dry for a moment and carefully place the fake lashes on your lash line with tweezers. Now I'm using a purple eyeliner to give my eyebrows the same color as my wig. I'm using the brush of my black eyebrow pencil to blend the lines. If you paint over, you can just use a small brush and a bit makeup to correct the form of your eyebrows. Now we created beautiful eyes, but the rest of our face looks still sad. First, remove the tape. Throw it away. Now I'm using a makeup remover to get rid of the eyeshadow crumbs on my cheeks. I'm using a reddish powder to cover the blue circles under my eyes. Then I take my concealer and my liquid makeup and apply it with a big makeup brush and a beauty blender. Remember, always dab the makeup under the eyes, because otherwise you bring out the small wrinkles underneath. Here we go with the mud. You now put makeup on your face and your neck. Because the makeup is a bit sticky, we use the fixing powder again. Now I grab my elf ears and cover them with the same makeup I used on my face. Use the fixing powder, and then I take the fitting glue and apply it to the ears. When putting the ears on, try to not glue it on your hair. We're gonna do some contouring now, so I take a contouring brush and a dark brown powder. I'm using it under my chin and on my lower jaw to make my face look smaller. Even though I put some dark powder under my nose to make it look shorter. To point out my cheekbones, I draw a line from my ear to my mouth and blend it well. Now I apply some rouge with my powder brush. Be careful not to paint too close to your eyes, because this is where we place our highlighter now. I take my liquid highlighter and a highlighter brush. You place it on the back of your nose, under your eyebrows, over your cheekbones, on your chin and on the forehead. You can also apply some highlighter on your ears. I'm now taking a blue and green kohl. I start with the blue kohl and draw points to my face by turning the pen back and forth. Then I do the same with the green kohl. To give the points a magical effect, I apply some silver glitter with a small brush. Last but not least, I'm using a nude-toned lip liner and a nude-toned lipstick. When outlining, you can draw the middle of your lips a bit bigger and more voluminous. After that, you fill in the shape with your lipstick. Lastly, I apply some clear lip gloss. And done is your magical makeup. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, you find me on Facebook and Instagram. And I hope you will be back next time. Until then, see you!
Ja, hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Licht aus! Piept immer noch. Was piept denn hier? Diesmal hatte ich euch auf Facebook und Instagram gefragt, was ihr denn gerne haben möchtet für ein Make-up. Dann okay. Fertig ist euer magisches Make-up. Ich hoffe ganz doll, euch hat es gefallen. Ich würde mich über einen Daumen nach oben freuen.
Dann
Licht aus.